Welcome back to the Watch Depot YouTube channel. I've got something special for the old school arcade dwellers out there. This here is the 2025 Casio Pacman collection. There are 4 models within this collection, all receiving a healthy coating of Pacman graphics and motifs. We've got the cult favorite F91W, the trusty A168, the pinnacle of retro digital watches, the calculator CA53 model, and then to round it all out, the midnight themed Bluetooth ABL 100. So without further ado, let's get stuck into the review, starting with the F91 WPC 1A. This lightweight resin case beauty might be one of the most famous Casios ever released. So I won't detail everything about it because you probably already know, but it does come with a daily alarm, a stopwatch, and an automatic calendar, all handy features. Now the face sees a big Pacman behind the dial along with the 4 ghosts, which I've just learned have names. There's Blinky, Pinky, Inky, and Clyde. The band loop spells out that famous Pacman sound, and we do get an engraved caseback to boot. Not too bad. Moving on, we've got the chrome looking A168 WEPC7A, which offers a bit of a sturdier package than the F91, with most of the graphics left largely the same. I love the silvery chrome face on this one, probably my favorite Casio base model as well. And this one includes a stainless steel band. Next up, the calculator watch CA53 WPC 1B. This one uses a yellow resin bezel made to resemble an arcade cabinet. We find a few other motifs around the calculator buttons and above the display, and again on the caseback. Right, now for the ABL 100 WEPC 1B, the blacked out Bluetooth model. This one builds on the relatively new ABL 100 model, also known as the vintage step tracker Casio, which we have done a video on, so if you want a full review, watch that one. Its all black outfit certainly doesn't mean it won't prove to be flashy. The stainless steel band and chrome plated resin case reflect light at a high degree, and from afar, this one hardly seems to fit in with the other more boisterous models. That Bluetooth connectivity allows you to connect the watch to your phone with the Casio Watches app. So that allows for automatic time adjustments, lifelog data, and even a phone finder feature. Okay, and that's a quick look at the Casio Pacman collection. Which model is your pick? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.